So here is the news, guys. So we have booked the XMS variant of Tata Nexon silver color on 14th of December, and so to make sure the timeline was right, so I mailed the details to the customer support of Tata Motors, and then so I receive an update within 24 hours. So they have shared my concern to the team that will help me, and then I get a message from Rakesh Palinga. So he is the he is the head of CRM Malikas Private Limited. So he gives me a timeline of 8 to 10 weeks. But then the executive from the what do you say from the Malik Motor told me that I'll be receiving the car within 6 to 8 weeks maximum. And then so I actually, yeah, I waited for some time, and then all of a sudden I get an email from the executive saying that the car is ready and I'll be receiving the car in 1 week. So they said the car has been dispatched, so within a week I'll be getting the vehicle. And then after 2 days, they call my dad and say that that wasn't our car and it was an EV version. So, like, I mean, who does this? I mean, what kind of a technical error is this? How can they misplace our number with somebody else's number? So let that be, okay. And then so that is what I've sent the email here. So is there any transparency? What about the waiting period? What's the issue? What's happening? What kind of a mistake is this and that? And then they reply back with this email: we sincerely regret the delay in the delivery of your vehicle and any resulting inconvenience cost. So this is what they do. And then again, Rakesh Palinga uh, replies us with an email. It's as per your telephonic conversation with team leader Monica. She has informed that she dialed your number instead of other customer number by mistake to inform the status. Okay, that's the part. She also even informed about the reason for the wrong communication, and you have also accepted the apology and explanation. Yes, we did. Please do not keep any apprehension that your vehicle is being delivered to other customer, as we deliver the vehicle as per customer who has booked first, and priority is given date wise booking. Okay, so that part is done. This is after 8 weeks now. Okay, this is after 8 weeks. You can clearly see, let's see the date, 17th of February. We booked on 14th of December and it's 17th of February. It means it has extended the 8 weeks ka timeline. And also send them the screenshot where the person says it will take 6 to 8 weeks. And so I was very desperate at the time about the vehicle, so I kept asking for every week and even every day. Sometimes I've been a very bad customer to them, but yeah. So even after 2 months I don't receive any update from them. So that is what I email them, and I don't get any email from them back. Okay, it's literally for days I don't receive any update, not even the executive calling us or saying this is this and that is that, this has happened, or anything, what has caused the delay and why is it taking so long. Nothing from the customer care end or from the dealer executive. So this really got us concerned, and I sent an email stating that do escalate this issue or I would have posted on social media about the incompetency of your communication and promise delivery. uh, where where are the responses to my previous emails? You people promised to deliver in 6 to 8 weeks. Check the attachment. That is the timeline I was promised from start, and even after 9 weeks I still have no update. So this is yesterday. You can see it is 20th, okay, 20th of February. So Yeah, after 9 weeks, I still have no update, not even a single word from Tata or the dealer. Is there any team that can really help? Do check the one-sided conversation with your executive. No, not even answering about the vehicle update. What kind of customer service would you provide after sales? A big question for us now. Escalate this issue to your supervisor or manager. Check the attachment. So this guy, I think his name is Giridhar. So he told me to forward all the details and the previous conversation with the email. So I sent him, and this is on 14th of February. This is on 16th of February. Still no update, even after 2 months. And then after 2 days, I asked for update. No reply from them yesterday. So I mean, it's 18th of February, I guess. I asked for update again. Still, I didn't have any reply from them. So this is what I get from Tata Motors all the time. They said they would be sending my request to the concerned team, and then one of the fellow, this guy literally says, I have spoken to your father when he has come to our showroom. My dad went to the showroom on 14th of February. This guy completely tells me that my father has come to the showroom on 17th or 18th, also spoken to you on the same day and said you will update you in a week's time. So this guy clearly has no idea what he's talking. My dad went on 14th of February. My dad called me from there and made me talk to this guy. He didn't even call me. My dad gave him the phone and he made me talk to Giridhar. So that's how the conversation was made, okay? And he told me that he'll be updating in a week. Now, what's the date today? It's 21st of February, and I still don't have any update, neither from the Tata Motors nor from the dealer. And this is the head office, the Himayatnagar office where we booked the vehicle. So this is the incompetency of, maybe I don't say Tata Motors, it's the incompetency of dealer to share the transparency about the vehicle or any details regarding our booking vehicle or anything. I mean, I'm very much frustrated. Even after 2 months, I don't have any update on the vehicle. So after what he has replied, it got me very angry. So for your kind information, we have spoken to you on 13th of February, and now it's 20th of February. Can you please check the date and timeline we spoke, because I can clearly say it was 13th of February. Could you forward the concern to someone who can really help on the issue? Well, clearly I don't see any transparency than moving with your executives in circles. So this got me really pissed off. I had to I had to be little rude here, but I don't want to be rude to anybody. But the timeline they have given me was 8 weeks. Okay? And then let us even assume it's 10 weeks, okay? Now it's 21st, right? It's 21st. It's gonna be 22nd in like 40 minutes, okay? 22nd. It's 9 weeks, 1 day has completed. Usually when your vehicle is dispatched, you will get an update a week before. Let us assume my vehicle is gonna be delivered after 10 weeks. I should be getting the update by now or yesterday, which is 20th on Saturday. I should be getting the update by now, and it's a complete chaos from the dealership and as well as with the Tata Motors on sharing any details. I don't know what's going on with your bookings, but I can clearly see the incompetence. You can clearly check the emails that I've sent them, and how desperate I've been to get this vehicle, but there's no response. I'm not sure. Is it because I've been too desperate that these people are putting my booking aside, or maybe they are not considering that important? So, if you guys having same kind of issue, do let me know, guys. It's really frustrating for me to go through this uh, conversations with the Tata Motors and the dealership. There's no particular team that can help you. It's like you have to stay in front of their showrooms, I guess, every day, asking them what's going on with the vehicle or any update. So that's my life, and that's how it is going on. I'm very much frustrated with this. I'm even thinking to cancel the booking, maybe book some other vehicle, because I'm not sure, the dealer is not giving me any update even after the timeline that he promised. And even though, assuming Rakesh Balinga, I guess is his name, Baliga, yeah, even assuming 10 weeks as the delivery time, I should be getting the update by now about the dispatch of the vehicle. But seriously, nobody really cares from Tata Motors or the dealership. So yeah, but I mean, to say it's our Indian vehicle and it has a great crash test on Global NCAP, and the amount of safety the car comes with and the pricing, I had to choose this vehicle. Now I'm thinking to drop off because I'm not sure what is gonna be the after sales service. Maybe it's gonna be the same way. This is Hyderabad, guys. This is Hyderabad, Himayat Nagar, the main head office of Tata Motors. I mean, what can you expect? At least a little bit of transparency. That's it.